Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about like unboxing. I bought some gadget from Amazon, so I'm gonna unboxing those gadgets. So guys, and so this week I'm going to my home country Nepal. So after 7 years I'm going to my home country Nepal. So that's the reason I bought some gadget from like when I'm traveling to so that's airline. So I need some gadget from traveling. So that's the reason I bought some gadget, and so I'm gonna unboxing that gadgets and enjoy my video. So guys, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, we're gonna unboxing this box. So let's take this out. So what inside there from Amazon. All right, what inside? Let's take this out. Wow, man, this packaging here. Alright, this is eye marks. This for traveling, like it's a neck pillow, neck rest, and this is two neck rest. As you can see, this is two neck rest, 100 watt power bank. So this is my 100. Let's unboxing this one. Alright guys, this is my 100 watt power bank. I don't need to read anything here. This is warning, please use this for shit, I don't need to read this one. I just need my power bank. Good packaging here. Look at this guy, beast, man. This is beast, yeah. So happy. 100 watt. You can charge this. You can charge this also your MacBook, laptop, and you can charge this one like 8 times iPhone 13 Pro Max, because I have iPhone 13 Pro Max, so I can charge like nearly 8 to 9 times. This is 100 watt, so fast charging. So this one I can also charge my laptop, and I can also charge my iPad Pro, and this is for my traveling, traveling. This is some user manual guide. I don't need to read this one. So this is a charger, port, and this is like type C port and charger port. So I can charge five device just one time, yeah. 30,000 megawatt, and Model X, so made in UK. So you can also see there, as you can also see there like percentage how many battery life in my right now, like 93% charge here. So this is my power bank for traveling, so it's all right. So this is my power bank. Just put it over here. And also this is my I'm going to this week my home country Nepal. So that's the reason I'm buying this stuff here. I'm buying this all things. So this is my cushion for like traveling, huh? As you can see guys, this is my like when I'm like sit on like plane, so I need to sleep well, yeah? That's the reason I buy this one. So this is for my, so I can also this one, and I can sleep, yeah, sleep comfortably. So that's the reason I buy this one. So this is hoodie, and this is very looks comfortable, yeah. So nice foam inside. Oh, this is looks good, yeah. Also, I feel comfortable. I bought this one two here, like you can see also there, silver one, 2 of them. Alright guys, also what we have another. So this is a mini fan. I'm traveling this week to go back to my country for traveling like family visit. So this is my USB charger fan for my baby. Alright, let's try this one. Oh yeah, wow, you can see, yeah. Oh, Kimalanta. Oh yeah. There's five more for like traveling in like Nepal country up to warm weather at this time in summer. So when I'm go to my country, so very warm. So handy. This is handy for when I feel like warm. Can use my face. So you can see there are 2,000 megawatt RPM 4000. So this is runs like 5 to 6 hours. You know, I can also charge it over here charger, and it put USB-C here, and I can charge this one fan for my warm day. This is my warm tiny fan. So what we have another thing. So this is for my this is my face sleeping mask. You know, like eye mask for like sleeping nicely. You know,
Eye mask.
eye mask, something like that. I need to sleep well, so that's the reason I bought this one. Put it over here, and as you can see, guys, I need to be dark here. Oh, it's very dark. It's very dark. This pad is very smooth for traveling. All right, guys, and what we have another thing. This is pouch, you know, like pouch bag also. Yeah, can this one eye marks I need to put over here, guys. And this, what is this? This for like maps, you know, in like my country Nepal have too much like dust, you know, outside. So that's the reason I bought this one for my maps. So let's try this one. All right, how looks this one?
What is mask?
This is bandana, yeah, bandana mask. This is my face mask, Venom. You know, you can see, guys, Venom. Venom face mask. Venom, yeah. This is Venom, yeah. So I'm fan of Spider-Man or Venom. So this is my Venom face mask. How it looks.